Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well and safe. In this video we are going to do another watch unboxing of the Orient Bambino. It is well known as one of the best value for money watches, so I thought I should give it a try. I ordered it on Amazon in March and paid $120 for it. So a really affordable mechanical watch. Since then, it received a few price increases, and usually the price of this watch is very volatile. If you can get it close to $120, I think that is the perfect deal. As you can see, I ordered the grey dial version with rose gold indices and a polished stainless steel case. The watch features a light brown wild leather strap, and this gives it a little bit of a casual touch and doesn't look as cheap as the smooth and glossy leather versions, I would say. Besides that, you can also get a blue, green and brown dial version. Compared to the original Bambino, the fourth iteration of the Bambino features more rounded hour markers, hands that are a lot thinner, and the second hand has been partially dipped to add a nice red color for more contrast. I already removed the Amazon envelope, and we directly start with the outer Orient paper card box. Inside we find a warranty and watch manual. The watch comes in an artificial leather, plastic, alloy material mix box, which is for the low price quite nice, I would say. It sits on a very soft cushion that you could also nicely use for bracelet watches, as it is so soft. Inside the watch we have an in-house movement that is called Orient F6724. With that movement, the watch features automatic winding. As a complication, you have a date feature, hacking seconds hand, and hand winding. The power reserve is around 40 hours and it beats at 21,600 beats per hour. On the watch we find the Orient tag, and as we can see, the pin buckle and case bag are protected with some transparent stickers. The crystal of the watch is a domed mineral crystal and is one of the big design features of the watch. Especially considering the low price, it is one of the unique selling propositions of the watch. Together with the super thin case, you have a perfect combination. The watch has a diameter of 42 mm, 11.8 mm in height a lug width of 22mm and is 48.5mm for the lug to lug length. So it wears quite big for a dress watch, but will smoothly slide under your cufflinks. So what is my conclusion? For the price of $120 you get a robust, reliable Japanese movement, a domed crystal, a great finishing and a super slim case, what is normally all hard to find for that price. Unfortunately, the watch wears quite big. So you either have to like this style or you need to have big wrists. For me, this isn't the case and that's why I sold it a few weeks ago. What I can tell you is that I haven't lost a single pound with this watch, as I bought it before the recent price increases. It was also very easy to sell due to the big popularity of the watch. In case you are interested in this watch, I will put you the link into the description. Thanks a lot and hopefully see you in the next video. Bye bye.